No water again. And here's why. But I've solved the problem. Now the tank is full. So we kept on running out of water, and it wasn't because the tank was too small, because it's 1,500 litres. The problem was that the grandparents, they need water for their plants, and they can't tell how much water was in our tank. So they would just switch off the water to our house, water their plants, and then we'd come, try to have a shower and find out there's no water left in the tank. So I had to solve this problem. Here in rural Thailand, many farmers stroke builders don't use spirit levels or laser levels. They use a long piece of clear tubing to ascertain levels for their building projects. So that gave me the idea for making my water level gauge for my water tank. I scoured all the big DIY stores like Global House, Thai What To Do, Home Pro, but none of them had the clear tubing that I needed. So I had to order it from Shopee, and it was relatively cheap, and it came within 2 days. So just had a look inside the tank. So when the ball valve lifts up and it switches off, the full mark is somewhere around this area here. So that's when it should switch off. So I want this pipe to come above that point there. That's the plan. So the water at the moment is at this level here. So I will be able to tell whether it is accurate or not. So this is my plan. These are the bits I'm going to fit. The first thing we do is cut into here. Obviously, switch it off here first. Right, let's crack on. So for this pipe, bought a stopper, through a hole with it, and it is quite a nice tight fit. So I'm going to put some glue around it, or perhaps some silicone on the top just to make sure it's sealed. connect it up. Goes up to there. So now the nervous part, is it going to work? Let's find out. So before I switch it on, I'm just going to put a bit of water sealant around there. And what I'm going to use is this Epo Putty underwater wet setting. So you just mix the two together. It dries rock solid and it's waterproof. So let's mix a little bit of this up, put it on, let it dry, and then we'll test it. Using a bit of water just to smooth it out. Right, the moment of truth. I'm going to switch it on. So the tank has been filling up while I've been doing this. It was here and now it's here. So hopefully I've put a little plastic ball inside here. Hopefully that's going to come up to here. So let's find out if it's going to work. Let's switch it on to the house. Okay, so far so good. No leaks. Right, let's switch it on to my new water gauge. Well, I did put a plastic ball in there and it's got unstuck somewhere, but we can see the water level is here, so it works. My new water gauge is working. Just need to put another plastic ball in there so Dad can see it. There we go, it's just here at the moment. I just went up there and measured, and I measured it to here. So that's just about right. So, what did this project cost me? Well, these fittings are 10 baht each. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 7 baht. So that's 57 baht. This is 30 baht. That's 87 baht. This pipe, I got 2 for just under 300 baht. So they're 150 baht each. So it's 87 plus 150. The total cost for the whole job under 250 baht. What a bargain. Job's a good one. Another job successfully completed by DIY Life in Thailand. Works perfect. There's the level. That's when it's full. It's almost full now. Now I can see how much water is in the tank. Got no leaks. My water gauge works perfect. Job's a good one. Well, that's another little project completed. Retirement in Thailand is certainly keeping me busy, but I don't mind. In fact, I enjoy it. So if you'd like to see more projects of what everyday life is really like living here in rural Thailand, I hope you'll join me on my next video. See you there.